Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to delete a section of a video inside of CapCut. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag a clip into my timeline as you can see, and it's a bit long. And let's say I want to delete a portion of the video here in the middle. Well, you've probably already used these delete left and delete right tools, but the problem is they delete the entirety of what's on one side of the playhead. But if we only delete one specific portion, we're going to have to use multiple split tools. So let's say starting here, I want to cut this video, or starting here, I want to delete this portion of a video. I'm going to press Ctrl P on my keyboard, and then I'm going to move the playhead a bit forward to where I want the cut to end. Then I'm going to press Ctrl P again, and now we have a portion of the video that we can just highlight by left clicking and pressing P. So as you can see, the rest of the video is unaffected by the cut, and this is pretty useful if you're editing something like dialogue and need to get rid of dead air, such as this one. So let's say you're editing some dialogue and you'd like to get rid of some dead air and just pretty much cut straight to the point. So that's what this technique is for. So you can also do it multiple times in a video, but it might take a little bit of work depending on how much you have to edit. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.